Hi, this is Miss Ann for Tween and Teen Cooking to Go. Today, we are traveling down under to Australia. We are making iconic Australian chocolate crackles, which are very popular in Australia. You will need 3/4 cup of confectioner sugar, 2 cups of Rice Krispies or crispy rice, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3/4 cup of coconut oil, a half teaspoon of salt that's optional, a half cup of unsweetened coconut, a sifter, a mixing bowl, a whisk, cupcake liners, a cupcake pan, spoon, and you'll need a refrigerator. So we are going to get our cupcake pan ready. Go ahead and line it with your cupcake liners. You'll need up to 12. Okay, go ahead and set that to the side. So your coconut oil is solid, so what you want to do, you want to let it melt. So you're going to immerse the jar in hot water for a few minutes. So we're going to go ahead and sit it in that and let it melt. And then we are going to sift the cocoa and confectioner sugar into a bowl. So we need 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and this is my sifter. So let's measure 3 tablespoons out. We got 1. Make sure your hands are clean too. I always forget to say that until I'm already cooking. I'm cooking and I'm making a mess. So now you'll need 3/4 cup of confectioner sugar. And what you do, you just gently like rock it back and forth. And the cocoa powder is sifting out, so it's making it really loose so there's air in it. So we need 3/4 cup of confectioner sugar. We're going to do the same thing. There's 1. 2. And 3. You can go ahead and sift that. Starting to melt. Makes it really nice and fine. Make sure you have a spoon handy too, because you're going to need that when it's time to fill your cupcake liners. Starting to melt. We're going to call that good. Beautiful. Nice and fluffy. Let's check this again. Ooh, it's getting there. Look at that. We're going to let it sit just a little bit longer. So most of my coconut oil has melted. So you want to be very careful not to make a mess. So you want 3/4 of a cup. So go ahead and add it to your powder mixture. You're going to whisk it in. There's 1, 2, and 3. Yay, I didn't make too big of a mess. I decided, because salt is optional, that I am not adding salt. So go ahead and mix this up. You want to scrape the sides of the bowl with your whisk and get it all well combined. Looks beautiful. Well, and don't make a mess like Miss Ann did. Oh my gosh. Okay, I cleaned up my mess. So you want to go ahead and add the unsweetened cocoa, not cocoa, unsweetened coconut. Oh my goodness. I laugh at myself. The unsweetened coconut. That's what I'm trying to get out of my mouth. Sometimes words are hard. So go ahead and whisk that in. Miss Ann's going to try really hard not to make a mess. Then add your Rice Krispies. So it's time to switch spoons here. Switch from the whisk to a spoon. Switching utensils. Set that to the side. Try not to make a horrible mess like I did earlier. Bring my cupcake pan with my liners. You want to continue to mix up your Rice Krispies in the mixture. You want them all covered, nicely coated. Look at that. Looks beautiful. So go ahead and spoon it into your cupcake liners. I'm going to fill them like 3/4 of the way full because I'm not sure how much it's going to fit. I want to make sure I have enough for all 12. And once you get them filled, you're going to refrigerate them until they're set. So you're asking, Miss Ann, what does set mean? Well, set means that the coconut oil and the chocolate is going to churn, the oil will turn back into a solid. So it's like a glue that's going to stick the coconut and the Rice Krispies together. Clean up the mess that I made on the sides of them. Okay. Ta-da! So go ahead and stick them in the refrigerator. I'm going to try 30 minutes because the recipe does not say how long. Here are the Crackles. They look nice. I cheated. I put them in the freezer so they would get cold a little faster, so they would set up. Let's see. Get them all set on my plate here. Look at those. Those look so good. Okay, I'm going to try the oddball. And you could take them out of the liner too and put them on a plate. They look really good. So let's see what they taste like. Oh, these are delicious. If you like coconut, I love coconut. You will really enjoy these. I give this recipe a thumbs up. It's super easy. I only use the microwave and the refrigerator. The microwave to heat up the water for the coconut oil, and the refrigerator to put these in the freezer so they could set up. So join me on our next adventure. We are going to Brussels. Until next time.